What are the best AI tools for business? I know there's so many out there and it almost gets confusing, and then you waste a lot of time trying to try all these different applications and different tools out there in terms of artificial intelligence, and then you get to one and it's not really that good even though you spent a lot of time reading the reviews on Google and researching it on YouTube. Well, this video I'm going to be breaking down the actual best ones for your business so you don't have to deal with all the headache of trying to go through them and see which ones might potentially work best for you. And for the people that want the exact list that I'm using for my business, well, go to my Instagram, russellmortlock.realestate, and send me a DM, say AI tools, and I'll send you the list that I'm currently using in my business. The first one is going to be Bubble.io. So this is for all the people that are wanting to be intuitive or want to create some of their own apps. This is a no-code app program that you're going to be able to design an application custom to whatever you want. And it's super easy. It's pretty much plug and play in order to use this. Next one's going to be Task8. So this is a project management application which is pretty much like an AI assistant to make sure that you're actually getting the stuff done that you're supposed to be. The next one's going to be on the sales side, and that's ClickFunnels 2.0. They recently came out with a ton of different AI tools that have been game-changing for all the people that use ClickFunnels in order to funnel people in and buy your products. Now moving into potentially some CRMs, HubSpot's new AI tools in order for managing client relationships, task management has been game-changing, which really is leading it to being one of the best CRM applications out there. But with their new AI tools has been game-changing and making it even better than where it's currently at. We're going to continue to stick with marketing and sales automation. We're going to be talking about Go High Level. If you're a digital marketing agency or a consultant, Go High Level is going to be the best application for you with all its AI tools. You can make branded custom products based off of whoever you're trying to fulfill so they feel like you made the products for them. And their new AI tools have been game-changing for these agencies. And if you're someone that wants to stay on the leading edge of AI tools, you're going to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be breaking down the ones that I currently use and how they're affecting my business. And if you want that list of the best business tools that I'm currently using, go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and DM me AI tools and I'll fire you over the list I'm currently using.